If your stomach tightens every Sunday night before the week even starts, that is not a personality flaw. That is a signal. And this video is going to tell you exactly what to do with it. You know that feeling, Sunday evening, the sun is going down, the weekend is slipping away, and somewhere in your chest, that familiar heaviness starts to settle in. The alarm is already set, the week is already mapped out, and before Monday has even started, you are already dreading it. That feeling has a name. I call it the Sunday Clench. And if you feel it every single week, I need you to hear something important right now. You are not lazy. You are not ungrateful. You are not weak. You are exhausted. And there is a massive difference. My name is Chillstar08. I am a 20-year Union Electrician, wife, mom, and grandma. And I felt the Sunday Clench every single week for years, until I decided to do something about it. This video is about what I did and what you can do too. First, let me tell you what the Sunday Clench actually is. It is not just tiredness. Tired is physical. You sleep and it goes away. The Sunday Clench is something deeper. It is the feeling of time slipping through your fingers. It is the awareness that your week belongs to someone else before it even starts. It is your body and your spirit trying to tell you something that your logical mind keeps talking you out of. Your body is not broken. Your body is communicating. And what it is saying is this: the life you are living does not match the life you were built for. That misalignment is what creates the dread. Not laziness, not weakness, misalignment. So why do so many people feel this way and do nothing about it? Because we have been taught that the Sunday Clench is normal, that it is just part of being an adult, that everyone feels this way and you just push through it. And to some degree that is true. Most people do feel it. But normal does not mean acceptable, and pushing through is not the same as solving it. The Sunday Clench is a signal, and the question is not how to ignore it. The question is what to do with it. Here is what I did. I started looking for a way to create income that did not depend on me showing up somewhere at a specific time. Not because I am afraid of hard work, 20 years in the trades proves that, but because I wanted my hard work to build something that was mine. Something that kept paying me even when I was not physically present. Something I could pass on. A legacy. I found faceless digital marketing. I found master resell rights. I found the Legacy Builders program. And I started building in silence, after shifts, on weekends, in the quiet moments between everything else. No face on camera, no dancing, no viral moments, just consistent quiet work building towards something real. And here is what happened to the Sunday Clench. It did not disappear overnight, but it started to shift. Because when you are building something of your own, even slowly, even imperfectly, the Sunday evening feeling changes. It goes from dread to anticipation, from heaviness to purpose. Because now Sunday night is not just the end of your weekend. It is the night before another day of building your exit plan. That shift in feeling is worth everything. So let me give you 3 practical steps to start breaking the Sunday dread for good. Step 1. Name it. Stop calling it laziness or weakness. Call it what it is. Misalignment. Your life does not match your vision yet. That is not a character flaw. That is a gap you can close. Step 2. Build one thing. Not a whole business overnight. One thing. One digital product. One piece of content. One affiliate link that works while you sleep. The Sunday Clench loses power every single time you take one action toward your freedom. Because now you have evidence that you are moving, and movement kills dread. Step 3. Join a community of people doing the same thing. The Sunday Clench is louder when you are alone in it. When you are surrounded by people who are also building toward the softer life, people who understand the exhaustion and the vision at the same time, the dread gets quieter. That is exactly what my free Inner Circle community on School is for. Completely free. Link is in the description. You were not built to dread your own life every Sunday evening. That feeling is a compass, not a sentence. It is pointing you towards something better. And the fact that you are watching this video right now tells me you already know that. Drop the word tired in the comments if the Sunday Clench is real for you. I want to know you are here, and I want you to know you are not alone in it. Everything you need to start building your exit plan is linked in the description below. The inner circle is free. The Legacy Builder's blueprint is the system, and the softer life is the destination. Subscribe because every week I drop new videos on digital income, mindset, blessings, affirmations, and the softer life blueprint. Your next video is already coming, and trust me, you want to be here for it. I am Chillstar08, your faceless wealth architect of silence. The Sunday Clench ends here. See you in quiet mode.